What are scripts, local scripts, and module scripts in Roblox Studio? So first we're going to start with the scripts. Scripts have the white icon and they basically run on the server. And the purpose of these scripts is to handle gameplay logic that affects players, like spawning items, updating leaderboards, or server-side security stuff. And the best use case for this is anything that must be authoritative and replicated to all players. And you can also control the run context where to run the script. So there's legacy mode, client, plugin, or server. Now let's move to the local script, which has this blue icon. And these scripts run on the client machine or the player device only, and its purpose is to handle player specific behavior like UI, camera control, input, or effects. And their best use cases is for anything that is visual or interactive for single player only. And the last one is the module script. These can be required by scripts or local scripts, and the main purpose of these is to store reusable functions or data to avoid repeating the code all over the place. Their best use cases is for utility functions, shared constants or variables, and any code that you want to use across multiple scripts. They do also have a run context, which you can specify. There is legacy mode, client, plugin, or server. The main takeaway from this video is scripts are for server authority stuff, local scripts for client interactions, and module scripts to organize and reuse your code. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.